walk away. Told myself I'd be okay, but the silence filled the room like a song I lost too soon. You're the echo in my mind, the face I see when I'm blind, and every step I take alone leads me right back to your tone. You touch the part of me that no one ever dared to see. You held my fears in tender hands, spoken ways no one understands. Even when we're far apart, I feel your rhythm in my heart, like a current in my veins. You're the calm inside my pain. You're my heart, you're my soul, the piece of me that makes me whole. Every beat, every breath I take is a vow I'll never break. You're the flame that lights my night, the voice that brings my dark to light. In this world I can't control, you're my heart, you're my I've tried to find the words, but none of them have ever heard the way you make my spirit rise with just a glance, with just your eyes. You don't need to promise more, you've already opened every door. Your love's the wind beneath my wings, the silence where my spirit sings. I've been broken, I've been bruised, lied to, left out and confused, but you saw through my disguise, read the truth behind my eyes, and now I know what real love means. It's not the fairy tale or dreams, it's standing strong when shadows fall. It's choosing love through it all. You're my heart, you're my soul, the only truth I've ever known. Every wound, every scar I hide, you turn to light from deep inside. You're the stillness in my storm, the place where all my fears transform. With you I finally feel whole. You're my heart, you're my I don't need a diamond ring or promises that fade in spring. All I ask is what you give, the quiet strength that helps me live through the highs and through the lows. You're the only love that grows. Even when the days grow cold, I'll hold to you like stories told. You're my heart, you're my soul, the fire I'll never let go. You're the rhythm in my veins, the meaning in my joy and pain. Every moment, every day, you're the reason I find my way. Even when I lose control, you're my heart, you're my soul. And if this life should pass us by like falling stars,